How to survive the heat in LEGO Fortnite. LEGO Fortnite presents an intense survival crafting experience where players confront perilous wildlife, menacing monsters, and extreme weather across various maps. Each map features diverse temperature ranges, some characterized by freezing cold climates, while others by scorching heat. In hot biomes, players must tactically manage their body temperatures to avoid succumbing to heat stroke, an element that heightens the game's challenge. The moment a player begins to overheat, a message appears warning, "You are warm." Fortunately, strategies exist to cool down and prevent overheating in LEGO Fortnite. Here are effective methods to combat extreme heat and safeguard oneself while navigating the game's unforgiving terrains. Number 1. Eating snowberries. Found in bushes alongside the snow biome's border, these distinctive glowing blueberries are the most potent means to cool down in scorching conditions. Collecting a cache of snowberries before venturing into high temperature zones is crucial. Consumption grants a temporary resistance to heat, lasting for 2 minutes. Number 2. Crafting a snowberry shake. Players can amplify the heat resistance bestowed by snowberries by concocting a snowberry shake. This requires a juicer machine constructed using LEGO Fortnite build mode, along with 2 snowberries and 1 unit of milk. Milk can be obtained by interacting with cows. Drinking a snowberry shake extends heat resistance for up to 10 minutes. Number 3. Using the cool-headed charm. Crafting a cool-headed charm on a crafting bench offers an additional method to bolster heat resistance. To create this charm, players need 3 silk threads, 1 marble, and 3 sand shells. Equipping this charm in one of the equipment slots not only grants heat resistance, but also enhances defense. For those seeking to bypass temperature fluctuations entirely, toggling off the temperature setting before starting a new world in LEGO Fortnite provides an alternative.